Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Basically this is the fifth chapter of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get done your assignment by watch this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete courses. So now we will start this assignment. First you will download this assignment from Pearson IT Lab dashboard, and then you will open in your computer. Because I already download this assignment from Pearson IT Lab dashboard and I open in my computer, and this is the instruction file of this assignment and having all the question in this file. Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments, that is the assignment title, and that is the project description of this assignment. So I already read this description. You can read in your assignment and you can get idea about your assignment from this project description. So basically this is the fifth chapter of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step for you. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete course, include all the Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, mathematics, business, Cengage courses, etc. So now we will start this assignment. Steps to perform. First we will check how my total step in this assignment, and there are total step is 20 step in this assignment. So we will start from first step and we will solve these step in this video. So our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I already download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. So now I will open this Excel workbook from my browser. Okay. So our Excel workbook is open, and we will apply all the instruction and all the question in this Excel workbook. We will make the Excel workbook for final submission. So now we will go to our instruction file. Our step number 1 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 2. Our step number 2 is before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Select the summary sheet, sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order, and further sort it by bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. We are supposed that select the summary sheet, go to Excel workbook and then select the summary sheet, this one, and then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order. Select cell B7 and then go to home tab and then go to editing group and then go to sort and filter and then click on the custom sort, or first sort by apartment complex in alphabetical order A to Z. and further sort it by bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. Added level and then by hash bed smallest to largest. Okay, click OK. So our step number 2 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 3. Our step number 3 is you want to use the subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Added a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. We are supposed that use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Go to Excel workbook and then go to data tab and then go to outline group and then select the subtotal. Okay, select the subtotal. Insert subtotal rows by apartment complex by apartment apartment complex. Calculate the average total deposit. Calculate the average total deposit. Already selected and then click OK. Added a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. Go to Excel workbook, again go to outline group and then click on the subtotal. Added a second subtotal by hash bed calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. Calculate the average, use function average, added subtotal to total deposit, uncheck the replace current subtotals and then click OK. So our step number 3 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 4. Our step number 4 is use the outline symbols to display only the two levels of subtotal rows. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above total deposit. We are supposed that use these outline symbols to display only the two levels of subtotal row. Create an outline automatic outline and collapse the outline above total deposit. Display only this one. Display only the two levels of subtotal rows and then create an automatic outline. Go to data tab and then go to outline group and then go to group and click on the auto outline and then click OK and then collapse the outline above total deposit. Collapse the outline above total deposit, this one, and you can see here our step number 4 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 5. Our step number 5 is you want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied apartments. Display the rentals sheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rentals sheet. Change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. Name the pivot table rental revenue. We are supposed that display the rentals sheet, go to Excel workbook and then display the rentals sheet, this one, and then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rentals sheet. And select cell A1 and then go to insert tab and then go to tables group and then create a pivot table. Choose where you want to pivot table to be placed on a new worksheet and then click OK to the left of the rentals sheet. Left of rental sheet here. And then change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. And then change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue, you can see, and then name the pivot table rental revenue and then change the name of pivot table. Go to pivot table analyze tab and then go to pivot table group and then change the pivot table name to rental revenue and then press enter. So our step number 5 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 6. Our step number 6 is display the apartment complex and hash bed fields in rows and the rental price field as values. We are supposed that display the apartment complex and hash bed fields in rows and the rental price field as values. Go to Excel workbook and then place the apartment complex field in row area and then paste the hash bed field to the row area and then place the rental price field as the value area and then place the rental price field to the value area. So our step number 6 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 7. Our step number 7 is format the sum of rental price for accounting number format with 0 decimal places and enter the custom name total rent collected. We are supposed that format the sum of rental price for accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Go to Excel workbook and then go to values area and then click on the sum of rental price and then go to value field settings and then click on the number format and then select the category accounting number format with 0 decimal places and then click OK and then enter the custom name total rent collected and then enter the custom name to total rent collected and then click OK. So our step number 7 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 8. Our step number 8 is select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. We are supposed that select the occupied field for the filter, go to Excel workbook and then place the occupied field to the filter area and then set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. set the filter to yes. Go to cell B2 and then set the filter to yes and then click OK. So our step number 8 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 9. Our step number 9 is you want to calculate the total monthly rental revenue if the rates increase by 5% for the occupied apartments. Insert a calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05. Change the name to new rental revenue. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. We are supposed that insert a calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05. Go to Excel workbook and then go to pivot table analyze tab and then go to calculations group and then go to field items and sets group and then calculate the calculated field, multiply the rental price by 1.05. Go to formula and then insert field rental price, multiply the 1.05 and change the name to new rental revenue and then change the name to new rental revenue, change the name to new rental revenue and then click OK and then apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Select the range C4 to C21 and then go to home tab and then go to number group and then go to number format and then select the category accounting number format with 0 decimal places and then click OK. So our step number 9 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 10. Our step number 10 is select the range B3 to C3 and apply thesis formats, wrap text, align right, horizontal alignment, 30 row height and 50 column width. We are supposed that select the range B3 to C3, go to Excel workbook and then select the range B3 to C3 and then apply the formats, wrap text, align right, horizontal alignment. Go to assignment group and then apply the format, wrap text and then align right horizontally alignment, then apply the align right horizontally alignment and then change the row height 30, select row 3 and then right click on row 3 and then go to row height and then change the row height to 30. Okay and then click OK and then change the column width to 15. Select column B and C, select column B and then press shift and then click on column C and then right click on the column C and then go to column width and then change the column width to 15. Change the column width to 15 and then click OK. So our step number 10 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 11. Our step number 11 is apply light orange pivot style medium 10 to the pivot table and display banded rows. We are supposed that apply light orange pivot style medium 10 to the pivot table. Go to Excel workbook and then go to design tab and then go to pivot table style group and then apply the light orange pivot style medium 10, light orange pivot style medium 10, this one, and then apply this one, and then display banded rows, and go to design tab, and then go to pivot table style option and then display the banded row. Okay, so our step number 11 is done, and there are total 20 steps in this assignment, and I solve 11 step in this video. But if you want to do this assignment for you, or if you want to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete course, include all the Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, mathematics, engage courses, etc. So you can contact me and you can hire me. I am available 24 hours for you, and my services is available 24 hours for you. You can contact me and you can get done your assignment within your time and within your due, and you can get A grade in your assignment in your whole course. So you can contact me and you can hire me, and it's very easy for you. And please subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, comment on my video, and thank you for watching my complete video.